are with the families of brave men and women.
I've never seen a weapon system like this. The thermal shows this weird aura around the exoskeleton like it's cloaked by some kind of invisible force field.
That's impossible. There's no such thing as invisible force fields except, like, comic book stuff, right?
Man, I don't know. My mama, she had the gifts, you know? She saw things. I got the gene too now. Nothing that attacked us. I got a feeling it ain't over.
Get us the hell out of here, huh?
When I took that picture, I think it saw me. It looked right at me. All right, we gotta get this thing back to the Pentagon right away. They gotta know what we're dealing with here.
My radio's fried. I got no communication with Ariel. Hey, my phone's slow.
How far do you live from here?
Not far. Just up that mountain.
You have a phone?
Yeah.
All right, let's hit it.
Dude, are you sure we're invited to this party? Of course, Miles. It's a lake. Public property. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude, Michaela's here. Just don't do anything weird, alright?
I'm good, right?
Yeah, you're good. Yeah, check it out. Hey, bro, that car. It's nice. Hey,